Buonasera e benvenuto a un nuovo episodio di Cucinare with Edward Drunk. Allora, questa notte spaghetti alla carbonara, però non è carbonara perché non c'è pecorino romano o guanciale. Entonces, como es cuarentena, you need le spaghetti italiano, perché se non è italiano non è spaghetti, va, ok? Y en español, huevos, uno, one per person, okay? Okay. And if you don't have pecorino romano, it's okay. It actually is not okay at all. It is not a traditional recipe, not a little bit. So you take the emmental, perché solo cerchiamo emmentale, ok? Va bene. C'è emmentale. Questo. Invece la pasta, l'acqua a boilare, va bene? And also you need, which traditional, it is the guanciale. It is very hard to get guanciale. So when you don't get guanciale, you can get pancetta, which is easier to get and you can get in any deli wherever close to you live. I do not have guanciale, pancetta or pecorino. Lardon, which is not Italian at all. Okay, so this is not Italian. Okay, it's not carbonara. It is kind of carbonara, pero non tradizionale. Okay, I told you that before. While the water is boiling, you do two things. You put a little bit of the bacon to cook on a small pan. A small pan that size, just small, because it is just us tonight. I don't put the thing because you don't hear me anymore. So, you put very high the heat because you want the bacon to be crispy. If it is not crispy, it is not good, because then it is not crispy, and bacon, if it's not crispy, it's not bacon. Allora, el bacon and la frying pan. Come diciamo in London, New York, va bene. Why? So, you see, this is the noise that you want to hear when you do your guanciale or pancetta. No bacon, please. Don't put bacon. Don't put, unless it's quarantine and you have no other option, because non è carbonara. Lele, non è carbonara. Certo. Don't ever forget, while your water is boiling, to get a little bit of Italian alcohol. I don't have amaretto, but this is South American amaretto, which is called rum. After a few minutes, you want your bacon to be like that, you know, setting in the pan, very high. You want it to be a little bit burned. You get some crispy on top of the spaghetti, kind of carbonara. And don't be scared if the oil pops. It's okay, just stand far away from it, and you'll be alright. As soon as it starts to get like that, you can turn off the pan and rest it on the side. Now that the water is boiling, you can add the salt. Don't ever add olive oil. It is unnecessary. It is very stupid. Okay? Don't ever add olive oil. You want salt like this. See? Just like it is like the sea. Okay? Like the sea a bit more, because why not? Up. We are crazy. Don't add actually too much salt, because the bacon is already very salty. Mettiamo la pasta. La pasta 9-10 minuti per al dente, ok, va bene? We don't need the pasta to be too cooked because then we put it on the pan with the rest. So while your pasta is cooking, you keep the pan you had with this, and you put a little bit of ground pepper. Look at this. I like a lot of ground pepper, so a lot of it. And you just leave it to while your pasta is cooking and your bacon is a little bit cooked already. You take the bacon and you put it in a bowl with the oil and everything, and you keep the pan for later. You take the egg, and this is what I do. Usually you put it at the end, but I like to put it now with the bacon. So you put the egg now. At the immediate time you put it inside, you have absolutely to stir the egg with the bacon. If not, it sticks and it is not good. You don't want the egg to cook, you just want it to be silky smooth, you see, like that. If you have the pecorino romano, you put it now. I'm gonna put that. I don't know what it's gonna do. Probably not good. So just a tiny bit because I'm really not sure, and it is not carbonara. While you wait for your pasta to finish cooking, which is in 3 to 4 minutes, your mixture is already ready. Don't forget, there is no pecorino romano or parmigiano or guanciale or pancetta, so this is not carbonara. And you take your little South American amaretto and you have a shot, because why not, right? Ooh, delicioso. When the pasta is ready to take out, you take out the pasta, but before you take a little thing so you can put the pasta, which I do not have. So you take a little bit of the pasta water out. This is how I do now because it is better. Then you drain your pasta. You leave it just for a couple of minutes and then you are ready to serve on a beautiful plate. So you take a plate like that, table, check, stick it here, oops, sorry about that guys. You take a little bit of the pasta, which is actually looking not bad, even though we don't have anything that looks like a carbonara, because you don't have all the major ingredients. And then just a tip of ground pepper. E questo sono spaghetti carbonara di Edoardo Borraccio. And now the moment you all been waiting for, the degustation. Let's see. Ooh, you see? They're silky smooth. That is what you want. You don't want it to be dry. You want it to look silky smooth like that. You see? Very silky smooth. Bene. Spectacular, guys. I will see you next week for a new episode on Cooking Drunk with Eddie. Don't forget to add your commentaries and your recipe you would like to see for the next episode.